Energy exists in various forms, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. Here are some different forms of energy. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion. The kinetic energy of an object depends on its mass and velocity, with faster-moving objects typically having higher kinetic energy. Potential energy. Potential energy is the energy stored within an object due to its position or configuration. Common types of potential energy include gravitational potential energy, related to an object's height, and elastic potential energy, stored in stretched or compressed objects. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is stored in the bonds of chemical compounds and released during chemical reactions. It is the energy that holds atoms together in molecules and fuels processes such as metabolism, combustion, and photosynthesis. Thermal energy. Thermal energy, also known as heat energy, is the internal energy of a system due to the movement and vibration of its particles. It is associated with the temperature of an object or substance and can be transferred through conduction, convection, or radiation. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy associated with the movement of electric charges, typically through conductive materials such as wires. It powers electrical devices and systems and can be generated from sources such as batteries, generators, and solar panels. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is released during nuclear reactions, such as nuclear fission, splitting of atomic nuclei, or nuclear fusion, combining of atomic nuclei. It is the energy that powers nuclear power plants and fuels stars like the sun. Light energy. Light energy, or radiant energy, is electromagnetic energy that travels in waves and can be perceived by the human eye. It includes visible light as well as other forms of electromagnetic radiation such as ultraviolet, UV, infrared, IR, and X-rays. Sound energy. Sound energy is produced by the vibrations of objects and travels through a medium such as air, water, or solids as mechanical waves. It is the energy associated with the perception of sound and can be harnessed for communication, music, and various applications. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the sum of an object's kinetic energy and potential energy related to its motion or position. It encompasses the energy involved in mechanical systems, such as machines, vehicles, and moving parts. Gravitational energy. Gravitational energy is associated with the gravitational attraction between objects and depends on their masses and separation distances. It plays a role in phenomena such as tides, orbits, and gravitational potential energy. These are just a few examples of the diverse forms of energy that exist in the universe. Energy can often be transformed from one form to another through various processes, but the total amount of energy in a closed system remains constant, as dictated by the principle of conservation of energy.